The fundamentally truly current exchanging volume of torrential slide by and large generally is at $416,439,425, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Avax United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $13.68, which essentially is very critical, which is very huge. Torrential slides EMA10 really shows a vertical pattern in an unpretentious manner. 25 November 2023, in this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for certainly genuinely 1 week from now and explicitly basically attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is by and large transient cost expectation for torrential slide in every way that really matters, basically is Avax a truly all things considered, wise speculation, or so they for the most part thought, or so they sort of thought. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, entirely in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, essentially let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations in a sort of especially huge manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there basically fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,433,698,568,583, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The especially all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $46,102,746,854, which sort of shows that 25 November 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and in every practical sense, sort of attempt to answer these habitually generally certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What basically is momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, vary as Avax a truly wise venture, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an every practical sense, for the most part huge way. Which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in a sort of huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically most certainly has seen a value reduction of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period in a genuinely large manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 0.1 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, showing that however prior to plunging pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us basically discuss the really current economic situations, which basically is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, which is very huge. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a kind of sort of descending heading for fundamentally present moment. Exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 especially generally shows a vertical pattern in an essentially significant manner, which is genuinely critical. As of now, a fundamentally really broad in every practical sense, truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a genuinely enormous manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers generally become certainly in every practical sense, all the more especially really dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how these occasions by and large in a real sense show that the market certainly is going in a very exceptionally descending course for essentially present moment. Exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction especially in a real sense is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move truly dynamic and for the most part truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82. following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period in an essentially genuinely large manner and a significant manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The exceptionally current torrential slide value, sort of, is $20.84, with an exchanging volume of $416,439,425 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Which in every practical sense shows that torrential slide backing and obstruction by and large most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, Avax basically in a real sense is somewhere near 1.83% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $7,609,092,458 United States dollars, showing how torrential slides EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 25 November 2023. Inside a truly day-to-day time span fundamentally truly made sense of beneath, in every way that really matters, kind of additional appearance, how Avax United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at $13.68 in a kind of all things considered, huge way. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving certainly normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially commonly basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving really normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the torrential slide. In every practical sense, further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. While Avax's Williams %R pointer in every way that really matters essentially is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange most certainly signals sort of is most certainly conceivable at this reach. Showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% amazingly in a significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving in every way that really matters, normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, is demonstrating a sort of present moment, explicitly sell truly signal, as the MACD line essentially is moving underneath exceptionally signal line which sort of means, especially bears fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout, or so they especially thought, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The very relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin generally is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is at 29. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in its